We are back on the Bruce Trail. We got Buddy Joe, a 20-kilometer trip. We're gonna be cooking some good food tonight. Doing a bit of a challenge here. I'm only bringing 10 survival items. It's supposed to snow overnight. I'm gonna try and survive.
Lots of beautiful scenery, beautiful hike.
We gotta get hiking, let's get it! This route is gonna be crazy. Yeah, we gotta get moving. We got a long hike today. Let's go, let's get going! Alright. Oh yeah. Lightweight! Lightweight! Not but a peanut.
This is wild.
Little cave action. 3 kilometers in, this is our first little break we're taking. Joe's having some oysters, refreshments, and continue on. 1 o'clock, we gotta get moving. Get to this campsite with some daylight. These look like pearl oysters here. Those are oysters, all right. Have these for dinner. You don't want to fall in there. Snack break.
Sun sets in about 3.5 hours.
Don't skip leg day, kids. 7 kilometers in. Current heart beats per minute, 127. Yet another refreshment break.
7.8 kilometers in 3 hours.
Nice Ironwood cider, original, to refresh myself. These are pearl oysters, and I'm gonna have these for dinner. We're gonna get off this road here. The Bruce Trail goes right, and in this forest, this area, we're gonna find a spot to camp for the night. Let's give her.
You!
It's looking really good here. We may camp in here somewhere on the side of the Bruce. Gonna walk a little further, just scout the area a bit, and start setting up camp, the best part. Beauty looking area. Little mountain bike bridge here.
Kickflip.
Looking around for a campsite for tonight. Behind us is Lake Ontario. So we're gonna be down here. It's hopefully gonna protect us from the wind pretty good.
11 kilometers, 200 meters elevation gain.
It's gonna be our campsite for the night.
You're going...
I'm gonna go here. Here to here. Then I'm gonna sleep right here. This is gonna be home for the night. Right here is where I'm gonna sleep. Right here's where Joe's gonna sleep. Start setting up. Fire pit rock. Put those with the fire pit. Thinking nipple height might be good. 2 on the inside, 1 on the outside. It's toggle time. All right, I probably should have done this earlier, but I'm gonna do a breakdown, quick breakdown of my 10 items. Item number 1, give me this tarp, my 10 by 10 tarp, paracord. It's gonna be item 2. Item 3 is gonna be this second tarp. Item 4, sleeping pad and sleeping bag. I also have my saw, my knife, my saw, a ferro rod. Headlamp doesn't count. Clothing doesn't count. Food doesn't count. That's what we got for this trip. With this, I have the option to put this down, or I can bring it back nice and open and tie this tie it down, and I think this will hold up to like 50K. I hope. I think. A couple overhands to finish her off. I'm gonna throw a log along the bottom here, prevent some wind going in. So.
Your pegs, can I?
Oh, you just make a peg. Make it a little prettier. Stuff out of the way. Look at all those little saplings. That is crazy. It's like a field of grass in here. Get out of my house. Got the ground tarp. Oh. This is one of my 10 items. Chose 2 tarps for this trip. My tarp is floating. Won't go down. This is the least flat ground I've ever slept on. I'm gonna try and peg this thing down so it's not floating. Doesn't really affect anything, but it's just annoying. Call the fancy police because Joe's in town. Look at that. That's a vibe.
Heck yeah, man.
This time I'm gonna put the exit, I'm gonna close the exit plug.
Good idea. Good idea.
I was in the roundabout like, why isn't my sleeping, my pad blowing up?
You're like, how is Joe ahead of me? What the heck?
Got my pillow here. Pretty comfy. My feet are touching the back of my tarp, and I'm worried that may compress my sleeping bag a little bit and make it slightly colder on the toes. Not sure, might not affect it. Let this guy loft up for a bit. Kindling. It's a nice base here to fire off the wet ground. Got my birch bark I gathered earlier. Beautiful. Easy money.
Time for wood chopping.
It's gonna get cold tonight. Still punky in there. Be nice to split one, but I don't know if my knife is big enough for this diameter. It's not. Oh, like wormholes throughout it, but the rest of it's good. Alright. Knife is amazing. That's working well.
7:06 p.m. Gonna chill out for a little bit longer, get the fire roaring, and then hopefully start our dinner within the next hour or two. It's currently 3 degrees where we are right now. Definitely a little chilly. I'm feeling it a little bit, but that's why we got the fire, right?
I'm gonna tie the front down here just in case we get some snow tonight.
Oh, he's thick.
No, that's dense. That'll burn long.
He's thick.
Joe and I are gonna go for a walk here. There's a ski resort in that direction. Bring you guys with us. Go check it out. We're at a ski resort right now. We just walked to. And this is our seat for tonight. It's getting very cold, right above freezing right now. We are almost back at our campsite. We're gonna get warm. It's very cold out here. Just heard a deer creeping around up over in the bush there, and we heard him gallop over to the left there. I'm gonna make a little bushcraft cutting board here. Yeah.
It is finally dinner time. It's original rice. We're gonna add some steak and cheese on top. Oh.
This is our bushcraft lid. First snowfall of the year starting now. Got some beef tenderloin here.
Yep.
Guy. Bam, son. Spice, son. Doing us well. Steak's looking good. Rice is done. Bring the steaks in. Thank you.
There you go, man.
Bow down.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah. That helps. Beef tenderloin.
Oh, wow, that's good.
It's getting late. It's 12 o'clock now. I can't stop yawning. I'm gonna get ready, head into the sack.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna try and keep the fire going all night. It's gonna be a cold night, eh, Joe?
Oh, yeah.
Joe and I are going to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning. Good morning, Joe.
Good morning, brother.
It's a great morning. Wow. Look at that.
This morning.
Yeah. It is chilly. Well, let's get organizing and get some food and drink going. Let's get chilly. Coal's here. Looking hot down there.
Beauty. I'm making up some coffee for us.
Nice.
We got the coffee powder and a lot of sugar.
The boogie. Joe's an island boy.
Sure.
Yeah, bit.
Uh-huh.
A little bit of trail mix for breakfast.
Cook it up real fast.
A little bit of yellow snow here. I'm gonna try and hydrate.
Yellow snow.
Hmm.
You sure that's not the snow I missed on? Wow, I haven't had snow in a while.
I know. Not since last Friday night.
I don't know if we mentioned this, but it hasn't snowed this season yet
First snow.
at all. So this is our first snowfall. No better place to have the first snowfall.
Then the Bruce Trail.
Yeah. You don't say.
We're gonna take everything down here, pack up. We got like a 5 to 10K hike back to the truck, and we're out of here. Let's get moving. Gonna warm up a bit by this fire, and then get rid of all these rocks, make it look like no one was here.
Oh, so much lighter today.
So good. My toes were pretty cold. Now that we're walking quite a bit, our toes are warming up quite a bit. I clearly have the wrong footwear for sure. Look at the snow coming down out here. There's a ski resort here. It's a bridge we're supposed to cross. Let's find a new way around. This tunnel was built in 1913. The total of our trip so far is 23.97 kilometers. Around here is where the first blaze on any tree was done by Bruce himself in 1962.
That was nuts. We just had a buck.
That was like a 400-pound buck. 400-pound buck just darted right behind us.
That was an 8-point buck. Oh my god.
That thing could have taken us out with ease. It just darted right out of the bush
I wish
behind
I
us.
got that. Yeah.
These are the tracks right here.
Oh.
We just got off the Bruce Trail. We're taking a side trail all the way back to Joe's car. Probably like 4 or 5K left. Stopping to have a little snack break here. And mangoes. This is brutal. This was not 20 kilometers like I calculated. Probably like 30 now. We're soaking wet.
At least we're in it together, dude. Sound. They're sore.
That's it. I'm dead beat, tired. I'm gonna drive back to my car. Like the video if you like that. More winter camping to come soon. Peace!